Okay, hello everybody. It's me Ibras Tiwari from Kalika School, and I'm an English teacher. And today I'm going to start a class. This is the class designed for SE students and English. This is a grammar topic article. An article is divided into two parts. So one is an indefinite article, and another is definite article. Indefinite article we have a and an, and another definite article the. A and the. There are three. You have to understand they are used before noun. Okay, let me show you. Indefinite article is used in which situations? Okay, first one is a. You can see there, clear rule is given here. A is used before singular countable noun, which starts from consonant sound. Okay, A is used before noun, and that noun must be countable, and that noun must be singular. Okay, with uncountable noun this a is not used. And more thing you have to understand, it is used before consonant sound. In English language there are 24 consonant sounds. Okay, simply to understand it is in Nepali language, simply to understand it in Nepali language, if the sound starts from ka to gya, they are supposed to be consonant sound, and that time we have to use a. Okay, let's see another one. And is used in this situation. You see there, and is used before a singular countable noun which starts from vowel sounds. For example, a, I, E, you have to understand in Nepali language. Okay, what is the difference between N and? And everything is same, but a is used before consonant sound, and is used before vowel sounds. Okay, and everything must be noun must be singular, must be countable, and if there is consonant sound, that is a. If there is vowel sound, and should be used. Okay, let's see some examples. You see there are some examples. A is used before singular countable noun which starts from consonant sounds. For example, if the sound starts from ka to get, that's the rule. For example, a cat, a dog, a boy, a mango, a fan, a student, a bus, a projector. These all sounds you see here, cat, ka sound is consonant sound, dog, da sound is consonant, and all words are singular. Cat is singular. We can count the cat. Cat is countable, singular noun. That's why a is used before consonant sound is used here. Similarly, other same. Okay. Okay. Let's see some extra rules, extra examples. You think it is different also, and some questions are very important as well. A university boy. Let's see. University boy. Why? That is U. A E I O U. You think this is vowel sound, but not. This is vowel letter, but not sound. U is vowel letter, but not a vowel sound. This is consonant sound. U starts from ya, ya, ya. University, U. Okay. Same like a 1 rupee note, a 1 rupee note. Oh, not wakil wa. So that's why. So a 1 rupee note comes. A U. That's why U. That's the same U. And useful, unicorn. Sorry, union. Okay, European, unique creature, unicorn. These all letters from beginning they look like vowel, but they are consonant. They produce consonant sound. That's why they are taking a. Okay, let's see another example of an. I have already explained. An is used before singular countable noun which starts from vowel sounds. Okay, if the sound starts from a to a, I, e, like that. An orange, an eagle, an insect, an elephant, an owl, an hour, an s, an island, an untidy girl. Okay, so all are vowel sounds. Hour, if the, yes, consonant letter, but sound is vowel sound. Let's see other example. These are important as well. An MA, not MOA, MOA not. This MA, A starts beginning sound. Okay, MBBS. When we pronounce MBBS, A comes first. So this is vowel sound. An honest boy, an HA, an NGO, an IR, an FM, an MBA. These are all vowel sounds, but they look like consonant later, They are consonant letter but produce vowel sound. So they all take N. Okay, students, let me take you to further more examples. AN is not used in these conditions, and I will explain why as well. You see there, uh, A and N not used before these conditions, before uncountable noun. For example, rice, milk, oil, water, or rice. Rice is uncountable, that's why O, N not used. And oil? No, that's wrong. Oil is uncountable noun, so before oil, we don't use N. Okay, another one is before plural noun. For example, people and cattle, pens, books. These are plural nouns, so plural is not used with A and N. Before proper noun, for example, name of the person, name of the place, they are proper noun. So proper noun, they don't take A and N. Okay, Kathmandu, Ram, Nepal. Okay, we cannot say Kathmandu. Okay, that's wrong. Okay, in these three situations, A and N not used. Okay, now the another type of article the is used in this situation. Let's see. The is used before some specific words, some clues, okay, some definite things. For example, the earth, the moon, the tallest boy, the great wall. Okay. Furthermore, we have other rules and examples of the article the. You can see here, there's the is used. First one, you see this, the is used before names of unique thing. Unique thing. Let's think that is a unique thing and that is used with the. For example, you can see this, the earth, the universe, the moon, the great wall, the pyramids, the Mars. They are unique thing. That's why they are used with the. Another one is, second one is when something is mentioned for the second time. For example, you see the example, he took a mango, full stop. The mango is very nice. So mango, the word mango is used with second time. When it is used in first time, when it is used first time, a mango, but when same the word mango used for second time, the mango. Okay, a repeated word takes, same repeated word takes, now it takes the. Okay, he gave me an umbrella. The umbrella is very unique. So umbrella first time using N, second time the. That's why. Now third example is before superlative degree. You see, Ram is the tallest student in the class. BMW is the most expensive car. So tallest, most expensive, these are superlative degree. That's what the used. Okay, let's see another example. Before ordinal numbers and periods of decades. For example, the first, the second, the third, the fourth, the 10th, these are ordinal numbers. Okay. Numbers are two types, ordinal and cardinal. Okay. But ordinal number takes the. So periods of decades, the 30s, the 90s, the 60s. Okay. We often say I like the 60s song, 90s movies, like that. These are the periods of decades. They take the. Let's see other examples before musical instruments and holy book. For example, you see here the guitar, the piano, the flute, the keyboard. Okay, the guitar, the Ramayana, holy book, musical instruments and holy book. The Bible, the Quran. These are musical instruments and holy book. They take the. Okay, before river, sea, ocean, island, mount, ranges, they also take the article the. The Nile, the Bagmati, the Indian Ocean, the Red Sea, the British Isle, and the Himalayas, the Churia Range, like that. Now, another example I would like to show here. Before plural names of countries, political parties, like that. For example, the Netherlands, the UK, the USA, the USSR, the UAE. These are plural names of the countries. So political parties, for example, the CPN, UML, the Republica, the Communist Party, the Nepali Congress. Okay, they take the. Before another rule, before canal, desert, direction, poles, etc., they are also used with the. For example, the Panama Canal, the Gandak Canal, okay, we say Gandak Nahar Canal, it is used with the. the Sahara Desert, the Gobi Desert, and poles, the north south, the north pole, the south pole, the north pole, etc. Okay, direction, the north, the south, and pole also, the north pole. These are used with article the. Let's see further examples. Before nationality, religion, races, position. For example, sorry, the Nepalese, the Chinese nationality, the Hindus, the black English religion, races. Okay, position, the PM, the king, the president. These are the positions. Before names of newspaper, okay, you read so many newspapers every day, and before those name of those newspaper is the, for example, the Kathmandu Post, the Kantipur Daily, the Rising Fall, the Times, the Bhuthwal Today Delhi, like that. These are newspapers and used with the. Another is before periods of history. Okay, the modern age, the Victorian age, the Stone Age. These are the periods in history of our life, human life. Okay, before family name and the caste, also we use the, for example, the Ranas, the Limbus, the Brahmins, the Magars, the Gurungs. Okay, these are some examples to be used with the. Okay, further more example I'm taking to you. Before a noun modified by a phrase. For example, you see there, the man who is very tall is the police. So the man who is very tall is modification of this, modifier of this, the word, the man. That's why the man before the man who is the, okay. This is the hospital where I was born. Hospital where I was born. That is the hospital, and before this modified by where I was born, before the hospital who is the, okay. The milk in the bottle. Which milk? In the bottle. So it's specified milk. That's I used with the, okay. It smells terrible. Okay. Now another one is before parts of the day. Let's see. The morning, the afternoon, the evening. But some exceptions are here. It is not used before the noon, the midnight, down, dusk. These are exception rule. Before noon, midnight, down, dusk, the is not used. Okay, another rule is there before names of hotels, restaurants, clubs, cinemas, also we use the. For example, the Salty, the Radisson, okay, Radisson Hotel, the Barahi movies, the Denver Club, the Leo Club of Butwal, like that. Another one is the is used before names of scientific innovations. For example, you can see here the telephone, the mobile, the computer, the television, etc. Okay, you can see so many rules and so many examples. We use the in this here. Okay, now the last one is the is not used before the name of the metal. For example, gold is precious metal. Gold is a metal. That's why the gold is wrong. Okay, proper noun. Nepal, Hari, Ram, Siam. Okay, before that we don't use the abstract noun. Also, they do not take the wisdom, honesty, depth, beauty. Okay, these are abstract noun and they don't take article the. But the wisdom of Birbal is famous in this situation. Which wisdom of Birbal, and that is a conditional type of sentence of some situation. The is used with sometimes we can use the in abstract noun as well. Okay, now let's see next one. Singular noun used for their primary purpose. My father is in hospital. The hospital is very expensive. Okay, so first time using we can't use the, second time we can use. Okay. Okay, but in another situation, this is the hospital where I was born. We have already studied previously. This is modified. Okay, where I was born, this is the hospital. That's a in the modifying condition, the can be used for the first word. Okay, name of the day, month, session. We don't use the. Saturday is holiday in Nepal. So Saturday is name of the day. That's why we don't use the here. Name of the disease, games, colors, possessive pronoun. In this situation, we don't use the. He died of cancer. Okay, my favorite color is red. We can say the cancer. We cannot say the red. Okay, the is not used in this situation. Here are some examples. You can just you can do a screenshot and you can solve this. Okay, thank you everybody. And how do you feel? If you think this is okay, then I will share some more videos to you. And thank you. It's me, Ibrahim Tiwari from Kalika Manav Gyan Secondary School. Thank you very much.